introduce yourself.
I'm Roy Poole. Hello.
Who do you work with?
Siemens. I'm a project scheduling manager at Siemens in Dallas.
Recently, you gave a session to MPUG members online entitled Enterprise Project Management for Dummies.
That's right.
What's a mistake that people constantly make when they're approaching enterprise project management?
Well, almost all organizations that have not gone into enterprise project management are doing their multiple projects with a single project focus. The thinking is that all projects seek to excel, then we'll excel overall. But in multiple project environments, that's rarely true because of the issues you have with resource allocations.
What are some of the issues with resource allocation you're talking about?
Well, if you've got a single project view, which most organizations do, even in a multiple project environment, they're not looking across all their projects to see where there are resource issues. And so now I have a schedule and I think I've got a resource available, but another project manager has a schedule with that same resource. I don't see it because I don't have an enterprise view of it. So without an enterprise view, I get ready to have my resource work my project and they're not available to work in the other. So I go fight that project management for it. In these environments, there's a fight for resources across projects. And instead of having a collaboration between projects, we have a war between projects. So you need a multiple project view of your resources so that you can not have this warring going on between your projects. Okay, here's a tip. If you have a small organization, maybe less than 10 projects you're running, you can probably use your desktop version to do enterprise-wide project management without going to server. You merely have to use a common resource pool. You set up a project with only resources in it. That's all it's got is the resources that you've got for your organization, maybe 50 resources. And then every time you develop a project, you share from the resource pool and you let the pool take precedence. So now, first project I take from the resource pool. Next project I get, I do the same thing. I share from the resource pool, and now I can see that it's already been allocated to other project too, and I can see if there's over allocations between the first project and the second. And you continue on with 3 or 4 or 5 projects. You can't do this for more than about 10 projects altogether because it gets too unwieldy. But if you're a small organization, you can do enterprise-wide resource management using just a desktop tool of Microsoft Project.
Very good. Thanks, Roy.
Thank you.